Mad science is science, but not as most students know it. Let's show you how we can create a buzz about science in your school. Mad Science builds periscopes, bends light, and opens minds. We're a safe, trusted, global provider that has run science classes for over 30 years. Our after-school classes get kids hands-on with science in your classrooms. They'll enjoy cool, inspiring activities without your teachers so much as lifting a test tube. We'd love to deliver a free science show for your whole school. If enough kids are inspired to sign up, we'll send you a mad scientist once a week for a 1-hour after-school lesson that's more spark and fizz than chalk and talk. Starting after-school STEM is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Plan the dates. 2. Book the assembly. 3. Watch your students go mad for science. Mad Science is launching more than rockets. It's launching science in your school. Contact us to discuss the possibility of bringing Mad Science to your school today.